DREG stock is on the move in this session of today, the 18th of October 2024, up a massive it's 1%. It has now broken through you could say the resistance of this was on Tuesday the 15th when it spiked massively, but I can't even imagine how much it gained. It spiked from like $1.94 or thereabout. From okay, this is let's see, from Monday it was at 1.28 and closed at 38.61. You do the maths, it should be in the thousands, so today now has surpassed that. But earlier on we were looking at as a matter of fact, as of that Tuesday, the projection on its 10 period moving average was that it wasn't we were not seeing any extrapolation of a pullback. But as of we were not seeing exactly anything like that, but it has now come back in. That extrapolation has come back. But the point I was trying to make is that as of that Tuesday, as of the Tuesday the 15th, when it spiked, massively, what we're looking at was an extrapolation that even higher prices will come, and that has now come today. But as of today, now, or rather, as of maybe today or even yesterday, it's now indicating that, okay, maybe now it might pull back. So the extrapolation is that is expected that it's going to come back into this um, forming what looks like this section. I wouldn't say it's a wedge. It's this void here. It's expected that it's going to come back into this sort of range. But we are looking at higher prices today. This is a daily chart. Let's have a look at it. Maybe it's let's see, 1 minute chart, because it's just the market is just open now, just 3 minutes old. Yeah, let's look at what's going on. Let's see. Okay, yes. There are no extra. There are no high. There are no projections. There are no upper projections on this 1 minute chart. We can quickly jump to the 3 minute chart and see what if there's anything that's played that any projections here so far. Okay, let's get the gain is 81.66%. There are no projections based on the tools we're using, the indicators we're using. There are no upper projections, but extrapolation here is for higher prices on the 10 minute chart. 40.99 on its 10 period moving average. So if that is the extrapolation, then you can imagine that the stock itself will be trading at even something higher than that. Okay, let's quickly jump down to the 30-minute chart and see what we can find here. No upper projections, still holding gains of 81%, 81.66. Let's look at 45 minutes and see what we have. There are no projections here as well. No projections. Let's come down to the 4 hour chart. There's nothing here going on. Nothing in play here. Nothing in play. All the projections. There's some weaknesses is expected, just as it is on the daily chart. So I would definitely love to give you some projections, some sort of Fibonacci projection, but I read that we don't have that. It's not in play at the moment. It's not in play. What was in play was that there was a good chance that it would even expand further, and it has just done that now, surpassed its closing price of Tuesday the 15th, surpassed that $38.2. Yeah, but if anything, if this is supposed to, if it's going to continue to do so, then you could, if you like, you can take this closing price of 38.52, and as a matter of fact, as you can see, it's clearly expanding upwards. Even okay, it's pulled back now. It's pulled back slightly below. But mind you, this is its daily chart, so then you subtract that 21. This is where it closed out also of yesterday, 21.61. We have a difference of okay, 4 15 minus 6 will give us 9, and then 6. So we have 16.94 as a difference between the closing price as of Tuesday and then the closing price as of yesterday, Thursday. We can try and find. We can just manually compute a highly ambitious. Definitely, it has to be that a highly ambitious upper projection. But we could moderate that. We could just use Fibonacci projections that are not as ambitious. Okay, so we have 16.94. You multiply that by 1.618, just something really modest. We have about 27.4. If you add that to the current price of 36.9, 6.9, oh, 37, okay, roughly $37, and then you get $64.4. Well, that's really ambitious. That's really, really ambitious. Okay, we could try something a lot more modest. 16.94 multiplied by 0.618. We have 10.46. You add that to the current price of 37.58. So we have $48. I think it's something that can actually happen in this session. $48. So 0.618, a modest Fibonacci multiple. Yeah. So yeah, bright minds on the move in this session of today, the 18th of October. See what you make of it. We have projections from $48 to $68, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching.